Hey, welcome everybody to episode 1 of my Precious Metals Mining, Royalties, and Streaming Company series. Here we're going to dive into the world of mining and royalties. We're going to expand our exposure in the precious metal space by investing in it and learning all about it. We will educate ourselves on the process of discovering, mining, and then delivering precious metals to the marketplace. So not only is this going to be an educational series, but we'll also have some fun investing in the market. This will be a running video series with weekly updates on the portfolio. However, to kick things off, I will be launching 8 videos up front to bring everyone up to speed on the brokerage we're using, some basic financial terms and definitions, and of course, we'll also take an in-depth look at our first 6 positions that we're going to be holding as part of this series. And of course, we will do the same for any additional companies or ETFs that we may take a position in. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am a stacker on YouTube. I have a strong interest in the precious metals market, investing in general. I am on a warpath, on a mission to create a better life for myself and my family, and this is just a part of the way that I'm going to do that. So if you want to join along on this adventure, follow along. I really appreciate it. Okay. So for this series, we will be using Webull as our brokerage. There's a couple reasons I chose Webull. First, I like Webull. I've been using it now for about a year on and off. It's really easy to use. They do offer some free stocks for signing up. You can get 2 free stocks valued between $8 and I think it's $1,600 right now for the month of March. If you do make a $100 initial deposit or more and begin investing. First, there are 0 commissions on basic trades, so no premiums here. That's nice. You can open either a cash or a margin account as a standard brokerage account. You can also apply for margin trading, options trading, and of course, cryptocurrency trading. One of the things I really like about Webull is that they offer pre-market trading, which is huge today, right? The ability to buy and sell before the market opens. And they do have a very nice desktop version with great charting. Lastly, they aren't Robinhood, and I'll leave it at that. Okay, so once more, if you do want to dip your toes into the cryptocurrency market, you can do that with Webull. However, at this time, you can only purchase 4 coins. Those coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. However, you cannot transfer cryptocurrency onto or off of the Webull exchange. I do recommend an account with Voyager if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, but did want to mention that you could do some of that here with Webull. So let's move on to our first 6 positions. Okay, so I opened this account last year and I really did nothing with it. I did get my free stocks and they kind of hung out there. About a month ago, I started to get into cryptocurrency, and as you can see, I did make a few trades based on some slight ups and downs of the account value. However, I quickly discovered Voyager, which is a whole new ballgame, honestly, when it comes to cryptocurrency investing. So I decided to keep $500 in this account and build a precious metals mining and royalty company stock portfolio. So as of now, I have invested $600 into this account. We'll be doing $50 every Friday. And then any profits that these videos make, as far as YouTube ad revenue, I will go ahead and invest that back into this series as well. So while you're watching these videos today, if any of those ads pop up, any income that I earn from that, I will put back into this series. All right, so the goal of this series is to capture additional exposure in the precious metals market, right? Trying to earn a little bit of extra income outside of just holding the physical coins, rounds, and bars as a savings account, which is what I primarily do with precious metals. Also, most of these companies do pay a small dividend to shareholders, so over time we will see those dividend payments, which will help to grow the outstanding shares. And if the value of gold and silver do continue to ascend over time, which it looks like they are going to do, then that should help this account earn a higher rate as well. I'll drop one update to this video series every week. These videos will not interrupt my regular market updates or any of the precious metals focused stacking videos where I cover physical gold and silver coins and bars. But they will instead be in addition to those videos, creating a larger overall awareness of the market for all of my subscribers and viewers. Okay, so we're going to start with these 6 companies. These 6 companies from the top are Wheaton Precious Metals, ticker symbol WPM. We're also going to be an EMX Royalty Corporation, that's ticker symbol EMX. Yamana Gold is number 3. That's ticker symbol AUY. Number 4 will be First Majestic Silver, a very strong silver play there, ticker symbol AG. Number 5 will be Kenross Gold Corporation, a senior gold miner. That's going to be ticker symbol KGC. And lastly, a growth play. That's going to be B2 Gold Corp, a growing gold and silver mining company. That's ticker symbol BTG. I will be adding more positions over the coming weeks and months, but I don't plan to hold more than 10 positions at any given time, so I can, of course, keep a better eye on the health of these businesses. While the intent is to obviously hold them, I will be trading in and out of them if the fundamentals begin to change, or if it looks like we're going to be heading into some type of a downturn environment with the miners and royalty companies. Obviously, the idea here is to earn capital, not to lose it. As it sits, we will be covering 4 mining companies responsible for digging gold and silver out of the ground, and 2 royalty and streaming companies which are engaged in financing mining operations with preferred kickbacks. Please see episode 2 for more in-depth information on precious metals, royalty, and streaming companies, which is coming right up. All right, so the first company we're going to cover once more is Wheaton Precious Metals. So this is the first company, and Wheaton delivers value through streaming. Wheaton offers investors cost predictability, direct leverage to increasing precious metal prices, and high-quality asset base. Wheaton Precious Metals is one of the largest precious metals streaming companies in the world. The company has entered into agreements to purchase all or a portion of the precious metals or cobalt production from high-quality mines for an upfront payment and an additional payment upon delivery of the metal. Wheaton currently has streaming agreements for 23 operating mines and 8 development stage projects. The company's production profile is driven by a portfolio of low-cost, long-life assets, including a gold stream on Vale's Salabo mine and a silver stream on Newmont's Pensaquito mine. All right, so that's WPM. I'm excited to be an investor in Wheaton Precious Metals. All right, the second position we're going to cover is EMX Royalty Corp. EMX Royalty Corporation has a long-standing track record of success in exploration discovery, royalty generation, royalty acquisition, and strategic investments. Our diversified, 3-pronged business approach provides exposure to multiple upside opportunities while minimizing the impact on EMX's treasury. EMX business model is designed to efficiently manage the risks inherent to the minerals exploration and mining industry. Key elements and resulting advantages of our unique approach are: the company organically generates royalties through low-cost property acquisition and early-stage exploration to build value, and then develop partnerships with quality companies to advance those projects, with EMX retaining a royalty interest and receiving pre-production payments. Our organic royalty growth is supplemented by purchases of royalties from other parties, as well as strategic investments. Cash flow from royalties, advance royalties, and other property payments are supplemented by returns from strategic investments and do provide self-funding operating capital. That's important for our ongoing business initiatives. Okay, so using this model, we sustainably grow the royalty portfolio with minimal dilution to our shareholders. Okay, for those of you unfamiliar with shareholder dilution, share dilution is when a company issues additional stock, which reduces the ownership proportion of the company of a current shareholder. So if you hold 100 shares and there's only 1,000 shares, right, you own 10%. If they go back to the market, do another offering, and now there's 2,000 shares, now you only own 5%, all right? So they're going to try to minimize that right there to raise capital, obviously by providing self-funding operating capital through their business model. EMX's royalty and property portfolio spans 5 continents and consists of a balanced mix of precious metals, base metals, and other assets. So they are not fully exposed to the precious metals sector. They are a bit more diversified. All right, as mentioned, tune into episode 2 for more information on precious metals, royalty, and streaming companies. Now let's get into the pure play mining companies. Okay, so number 3 is going to be Yamana Gold. Really happy to be an investor in this company as well. So this is a pure play mining company. Yamana Gold's mission is to mine precious metals profitably and responsibly. Yamana Gold is a Canadian-based precious metals producer with significant gold and silver production, development stage properties, exploration properties, and land positions throughout the Americas, including Canada, Brazil, Chile, and Argentina. Yamana plans to continue to build on the base through expansion and optimization initiatives at existing operating mines, development of new mines, the advancement of its exploration properties, and at times by targeting other consolidation opportunities with a primary focus in the Americas. Their portfolio consists of 5 long-life, high-quality operations in mining-friendly jurisdictions in the Americas. That's important, mining-friendly jurisdictions. Underpinned by our team of talented operators, our focus is on advancing compelling growth opportunities at our operations to increase production, extend the mine's life, increase our cash flow, and ultimately generate long-term value for our shareholders. During 2019, Yamana Gold mined 1,024,454 ounces of gold and roughly 122,934 ounces of silver. So 88% of their production in 2019 was gold, 12% silver. Okay, speaking of silver, let's move on to First Majestic Silver. All right, so now this is our 4th company, and this is a big-time silver play in both the silver mining as well as, to a lesser extent, streaming services, right? Okay, they do offer some streaming. First Majestic owns 100% of 3 producing silver mines in Mexico: the San Dimas Silver and Gold Mine, the Santa Elena Silver and Gold Mine, and the La Encantada Silver Mine. Management feels strongly that investors will continue to witness another dramatic bull market in precious metals over the coming years. For this reason, a focus to continue to develop and increase production at its core assets will continue. In addition, management is determined to expand First Majestic's asset base and thus continues to investigate other interesting advanced stage silver projects in Mexico. With a management team comprised of proven company and mine builders, shareholders are poised to capitalize on First Majestic's rapid evolution into a world-class silver producer. So on June 11th, 2020, First Majestic announced that it had agreed to acquire from First Mining a stream on 50% of payable silver produced from the Spring Pole Gold Project located in Ontario, Canada. First Majestic will make ongoing cash payments of 33% of the silver spot price per ounce to a maximum of $7.50 per ounce for all payable silver delivered by Spring Pole. Hey, that's pretty good, right? So they're able to acquire an ounce of silver at 33% of the spot price, or a max of $7.50 per ounce. Okay, that's a good deal. That's what these streaming services do. First Majestic has agreed to pay First Mining total consideration of $22.5 million in cash and shares over 3 milestone payments for Silver Stream, which covers the life of that project. So they will be obviously getting some silver from Canada. During the mine's life, it is anticipated that it will produce approximately 22 million ounces of silver. The transaction adds significant upside potential to higher silver prices, as well as substantial exploration upside over the large land holdings, and they currently hold 41,913 hectares. All right, hectares. Got to do my pronunciation a little better here on some of these words. Okay, getting on to number 5. Number 5 of our mining companies we hold an initial position in is going to be Kenross Gold Corporation. All right, this company was founded in 1993. Kenross Gold is a senior gold mining company with a diverse portfolio of mines and projects in the United States, Brazil, Chile, Ghana, Mauritania, I have to pronounce that better, and Russia. Headquartered in Toronto, Canada, Kenross employs approximately 9,000 people worldwide, so this is a bigger company. The company is focused on delivering value through operational excellence, balance sheet strength, disciplined growth, and responsible mining. Kenross claims to offer attractive trading metrics. They do offer a compelling value opportunity due to a large annual production, an excellent operating track record, and relatively low-risk growth opportunities. Kenross claims to have an attractive price-to-operating cash flow ratio, which is a stock valuation indicator that measures the value of a stock's price relative to its operation cash flow per share. So an attractive ratio indicates that they are focused on keeping operations costs low in order to return more shareholder value. Okay, that's good news. They also claim to have a compelling enterprise value, or EV, to EBITDA ratio. A compelling earned value to EBITDA ratio indicates a value opportunity. So plain and simple, this aligns with the company's statement to return value to shareholders. Kenross is forecast to produce 2.4 million troy ounces of gold during 2021 and expects to deliver production of 2.5 million troy ounces of gold per year through 2029 on existing projects. All right, that's pretty impressive. So now we move on to our last company. All right, so our final company is going to be B2 Gold. B2 Gold is a low-cost international senior gold producer that is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The company was founded in 2007, so it's a little younger than some of the others. Today, B2 Gold has 3 operating gold mines and numerous development and exploration projects in various countries, including Mali, the Philippines, Namibia, Colombia, Finland, and Uzbekistan. This year, B2 Gold forecasts gold production to be between 970,000 troy ounces up to 1,030,000 troy ounces. B2 Gold's strategy is to grow through successful exploration and accretive acquisitions of development stage precious metals properties, successfully finance and build mines, generating dramatic growth in gold production and cash flow. So if you're looking to invest in the precious metals mining sector with a self-proclaimed growth company, then B2 Gold may be the company for you, as they are aggressively looking for new mining operations. The company currently has 3 producing mines, one in Mali, one in the Philippines, and one in Namibia. They are developing a mine in Colombia as we speak and currently have exploration efforts in place in Mali, the Philippines, Namibia, Colombia, and Burkina Faso, which is on the African continent. Okay. All right, so those are the 6 companies that we will start with. As mentioned, I'll do an analysis of each of these companies in the coming weeks. Please do stay tuned for more information and educational videos on the topic. And once more, thank you for subscribing and viewing this channel and following me along on this new series. I don't expect it to get a whole lot of traction at first, probably not a whole lot of views, but it will grow over time. So you will be some of the first to follow along, and it will surely grow. So congratulations, you're in on the ground floor. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. I'll see you soon on another precious metals focused video. Take care, my friends. Stay healthy. Keep stacking. See you soon.